This all-in-one mod adds first-person gameplay along with weapon handling, audio, and gameplay improvements. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just minimize this, close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Find dsound.dll. Just right click and say cut and paste it in desktop. And now open the WinRAR, open the mods folder. Just drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. After this done, just go back to WinRAR and open the optional. Just drag and drop this fx file in the game folder. Replace the file in the destination. And then just close it off here. Find ESET menu. Just right click on the ESET menu 4.ini and select edit in notepad. Just scroll down under keybinds. You can able to see menu up. Change this menu up number 38 and menu down. Change this to 40. Menu left. Change this to 37. Menu right. Change this to 39 and enter. Change this to 13. Back. Change this to 8. Now select the file and select save option. Just close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F7 key to open up this Zolika menu. Now using a down arrow, select the options. Press the enter to select this option. And using a down arrow, go to camera options and press enter. And select the custom cameras. Press enter to select it. And first person view, using down arrow, select the first person view and press enter. Enabled, just press enter to turn it on. Using the down arrow, go to recommended settings and press enter. Recommended config for Nico, just press enter. And now press the F7 key to close this menu. And you can enjoy the game with first person view on GTA Vice City Next Gen Edition. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.